Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 4 o'clock na and it's merienda time. Gutom ako. Ay, hindi na naman nalagay ni... Kala ko may laman pa. Kala ko may laman pa at hindi na ibalik ni Jan sa ref. It's breakfast time. It's merienda time and what am I gonna eat? Crave kasi ako ng siomai, chicken siomai. So, tingin tayo dito. Pork and shrimp. So, hindi pwede sa atin ito. Ano to? Chicken wings. Tagal na yung chicken wings. May mango pa pala dito. To mango. Mango ba to? Ang tagal na nito. Ang daming mga kung ano-ano sa rack natin, guys. Parang wala man ako makita nito ng chicken siomai. Ito! Chicken siomai! May nakita tayo. So, luto lang tayo. Isi-steam ko lang siya, guys. Nagutom ako kasi ano lang naman yung kinain ko kanina. Bread, tsaka egg, tsaka avocado. Yun lang. So, nandun sa pinakadulo-dulo ang ating steamer. Ito pala. Okay. Ayan. Lutuin ko na lahat kasi pag hindi maubos, mamaya, natulog pa kasi si Jan. Hindi maubos, baka kakain siya. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, guys, nilalagyan ko siya lalagyan ko ng parchment paper. Ito para hindi siya magdikit ba? Hindi magdikit yung may sauce na siya nakasama, guys. So, ubusin ko na lang siya. Ayan, hilera lang natin here. Uy, may mga ano pa nga, nakuhan ko pala yung mga ice. Okay, so ihilera lang natin siya like this one. Ayan. I like chicken siomai. For one, dahil hindi ako pwede sa sa pork. Did I wake you up, darling?
No.
Okay.
What are you making? Merienda?
Merienda. Wala na pala tayong dear, no? We don't have chili garlic. The one from the Asian store. I cooked them all na, so might as well. Ito lang yung kinain ko kanina, guys. O bread lang yung kinain ko kanina. Let's check how many carbohydrates does it have. Total cholesterol, 13% per 3 servings per container. Sodium, 33%. Carb, 6%. So, pwede. Pwede na to. Sugar, 6 grams. They have everything, ha? Sugar, carbohydrates, and cholesterol. So, wait lang tayo ng mga, how many minutes to cook this, dude? 8 minutes?
Yeah, it's not very long.
No? Because it's already pre-cooked. It's already pre-cooked. I don't know. I'll make it 10 minutes just to make sure. Ano ba ang maganda sa sausawan nito? I think toyo at suka lang, no? Wala na kasi akong wala na akong chili garlic. Tignan ko nga kung may chili garlic pa ako dito. Baka nandito. Hindi na kami nakabili ng chili garlic. Tagal na. Ayan, baka nandito nakatago lang. Tignan natin. Crunchy garlic. Chili wala na talaga. Wala na talaga. Masarap yun pero marami din kasi yung mga recados. Ano itong nakita ko? Mga sili! Ito pala yung na-harvest ni Jan nung nakaraan sa garden natin. Marami pala. Katago pala dyan. Hindi ko man lang nakita. Sabi ko pa naman, naghanap pa naman ako nung nakaraan ng sili. Sabi ko, wala na pala. Naubos na. Yun dyan pala, nakatago pala. Tayo dito. Ano to? Sino nagpadala nito sa akin? Vitamin C, Petit Nectar, Pineapple. May nagpadala nito. Nakakalimutan ko na yung mga nagpapadala sa akin. Ayan. Hala, may mga tinapa pa pala ako dito guys. Oh, tuna in flakes. Ayan. Ito yung mga pasal. Oh, tuna adobo. I think ito yung mga dala ko sa Philippines before. Ay, meron pa pala tayong Iberia. Oh, fully cooked premium ham. Ayan. Oh. There's one left pa pala. Oh, Iberia.
Yeah.
From the dumpster yan guys. Tignan natin kung expired na. Kasi from the dumpster ito eh. No, it's not. July 2028. Imagine, July 2028 mag-expire pero tinapon. Oh, speaking of dumpster, hindi pa pala tayo. Uy! After this year, we're gonna go out. Because it's already 4. Mamasura tayo. Tignan natin kung may mga tinatapon. Kasi it's already after Christmas, darling. It's already after Christmas. So, maybe there's a lot of ornaments. Maybe there's a lot of Christmas tree.
No, it's too soon. People don't start doing that until after the
March. In the Philippines, you know, it's funny because they disassemble their Christmas tree mga January, after Three Kings. And pag tinamad ka talaga mga February. Talaga guys, kahit sa Pilipinas, ganyan din. Okay, gagawa na ako ng sauce natin. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have suka and toyo. Suka and toyo lang tayo. Ano pala ito? Kunti na lang. Ito siya guys is hindi ito siya kikuman ha. Lagayan lang yung kikuman. Pero ang ano talaga nito is silver swan talaga ito. Kasi we love soy sauce. Ay, ito sana oh. Ito masarap din ito eh. Kaya kaso medyo matamis. Ayoko nang medyo matamis. Masarap siya pero matamis. Okay, prep lang natin yung plato. And then siguro makain din si John. So, 4 na chopsticks. Mag-chopstick lang tayo guys. Chopstick. Ayan. Tapos, may coke ako dito. Okay, here it is. Wow.
Very done.
Very done.
Overdone.
Ay,
Turn off.
we're done na daw guys. Lagay mo na natin dito. Maubos ko ba to? Baka ito na yung dinner ko. Merienda lang ito guys, merienda. Siguro yung dinner ko salad na lang. Salad ako ngayon. Palagi na lang chicken. Hindi ko magsasawa sa chicken. Nagsasawa din. Kaya tomorrow magfe-fish na naman tayo. Magsasalmon siguro tayo tomorrow. Ang harap. Sarap dear. Itong this kind of siomai is available only at Trader Joe's, no? Only at Trader Joe's. This kind of siomai.
You have calamansi?
Ay, oo! Ay, maliliit yung kalamansi, guys. Ito, oh. May isang medyo malaki. They're all small, dear.
Yeah, they work. They're very juicy.
Ngayon, oh. Pero juicy siya. Hi! Hello!
You get the orange ones?
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Fresh calamansi.
Iba talaga ang kalamansi, guys. Really different from sukang pinakurat. Tuslukin na lang pala, guys. guys.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I just thought to say hi to you. I'm here for vacation again.
Okay.
I came home holiday to see my parents. And I said, you know what? This is your family. Fabulous. Very good. Thank you. Super show.
May,
You know, the design is not too much to talk to me.
may tao.
Yeah, that was a real big mess.
Pilit kong pinapakinggan ang kanilang pinag-uusapan guys, pero hindi ko sila masyadong marinig. Pero eventually, pinapasok ni John. Ito po yung best friend ng ex ni John na nakatira na ngayon sa New York at nandito lang siya sa Florida para magbakasyon. Dito magse-celebrate ng Christmas at bagong taon. Every time daw pala, di ba nga guys, wala ako dito ng mga nakaraang holiday season. Nasa Pilipinas ako and then last year nasa Canada ako. Palagi pala yan siyang pumupunta dito. Kapag nandito daw yan siya sa Florida, dumadaan daw yan siya dito sa bahay, sabi ni John. So mayroon silang pinag-uusapan na hindi ko masyadong marinig. Pero eventually, pinapasok yan ni John Pakinggan natin kung ano yung mga sasabihin niya.
They called me. And I said, what's going on? Oh my God, you don't know what happened to me? I said, what happened to you? I was with George. He said, oh, I meet a guy, he said, and we did what we had to do. I bring him to the rehab place. But at the same time, when I was driving this guy back, I saw another one walking with the backpack.
Sa mga bago pala sa aking channel, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, Sumakabilang Buhay po yung partner ni John for 18 long years. Ngayon, nandito yung kanyang best friend at sinariwa nila yung mga nakaraan bago yung wala ng ex ni John, no? So, nagkukwentuhan sila kung ano yung mga nangyari a week before, no, ng kanyang pagkawala, at doon maraming mga nalaman, no, na mga ngayon lang nalaman ni John, mga kasinungalingan, basta marami siyang naikwento na ngayon lang nalaman ni John. Pero for sure, close na kasi ang chapter nila ni John. Ayaw na rin balikan ni John no? Yung mga nangyari sa nakaraan niya sa past relationship niya. Pero nagulat talaga si John sa mga sinabi niya, no? Ngayong araw na ito. Ako pinapakinggan ko lang sila guys pero ako wala naman akong pakialam sa kanila guys kasi past naman na ni John yun at saka ayaw na ring halongkatin ni John pero alam mo yun, siya kasi ang pumunta dito ngayon, no? Yung kaibigan ng ex ni John, no? At may mga sinabi siya, no, na hindi dapat mapahamak yung ex ni John kung nakinig lang daw siya dati sa kanyang best friend or sa kay John, pero huli na ang lahat. So, alam ko magtataka kayo kung ano yung dahilan ng pagkawala ng ex ni John. Malamang naikwento ko na ito sa inyo noong nakaraan, no? Pero sa mga bagong subscribers, gagawa na lang ulit ako ng separate video regarding doon sa pagkawala ng ex ni John, no? Para para maisalaysay, tama ba? Maisalaysay ko sa inyo ng maayos at gusto ko kasama si John para siya mismo ang magkakwento kung ano yung nangyari sa past relationship niya for 18 years kasi ayoko na manggaling sa akin kung ano nga ba ang dahilan. Kaya yan ang aabangan ninyo sa next vlog natin.
From the moment it happened, I said there are too many secrets.
Ikukwento ko sa inyo guys, ikukwento namin ni John rather kung ano yung mga sekreto na ngayon lang naibunyag, na ngayon lang nalaman namin ni John, no, tungkol sa kanyang ex-partner. So, yan, aabangan nyo yan sa next video. Good evening, it's dinner time and for our dinner, ito lang lulutuin ni John.
Grilled salmon.
Ayan, grilled salmon. Labas tayo? Ala, ang lamig. Ay, it's cold.
Very.
Ay, ang lamig na pala. It's winter time here in Florida. Kuha lang akong jacket.
We'll only be outside first.
I can't take it. Ooh, look at that. Ang lamig, guys. Ooh. Wow. Nag-jacket na ako guys, oy, kasi hindi ko kaya.
Have to be very, very gentle with it.
Gentle.
Hi, baby. Hi, kitty lovely. Kitty Province, take the time. Come here.
Woo. May... Ang lamig-lamig. Yun. I think...
One package only gets a little bit of water.
Ay! What about... I'll put ano dear? Chicken stock.
I don't know.
Only one pack. You don't want to wash this?
No, it's a processed product. More. More. All right, now microwave it for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, okay. Hala, tignan natin ang resulta nito because it says
I have to go save the salmon.
save the salmon, yeah. Ayan guys, lagay lang natin sa microwave. Cover dear, no?
I don't think there's a need to cover.
Ayan, so 4 minutes. Nilagay ko siya sa microwave. You want me to lower this?
No.
Okay.
So that's red miso, soy sauce. What else did I put in there? Vegetarian oyster sauce. And I think that's it. Oh, a little bit of chicken stock to loosen it up. That's it. Nothing serious.
First time kong lutuin ito guys, itong binili namin online na konjac rice. And tinry ko siya with chicken broth. Hindi siya maganda ang resulta, nag-failed siya guys. Naging tutong, gumahi siya.
Check out your skin.
1 minute.
Hang on. Mix it all together.
So ang ginawa namin guys, gumawa ako ng panibagong batch and then hinalo ko siya doon sa natutong.
Taste the veggie.
Oo. One minute. Tapos in-strain lang ni John guys yung rice. You want rice?
Yeah, I think I'll try a little. Do you want a knife?
No. Okay naman guys, yung nabili namin ng konjac rice. Hindi siya ganun kasarap no, pero well, ano naman ang ini-expect natin. Basta mga pang diet na rice, low calorie, low carbs, and low everything. Hindi talaga yan masarap guys. Yung concern ko lang dito is, napakamahal niya. No? For 6 packs ata siya guys. Nasa $12. So lumalabas na $2 each. Yung maliliit na bag lang talaga siya guys. As in. So if you want to try this one, search nyo lang konjac rice. Actually there's lots of brands na may konjac rice. So or miracle noodle ata ito guys ang tawag sa iba. Tapos pinorma lang nila na rice. Not really sure guys ha, kasi first time ko man na experience nito. So kung gusto niyo mag-diet, no? Kung gusto niyo na totally cut off na ninyo, cut down na ninyo, ano ba tawag? Cut out, cut down, cut off ninyo ang white rice, pwede kayong mag-try ng konjac rice, guys, no? Para healthy living ba? O ngayong 2026. O, di ba? Ngayon naman, gagawa si Jan ng homemade yogurt at ito yung mga ingredient.
Oh, I'm gonna put a little lactobacillus and Bacillus subtilis
What else?
and some leftover yogurt that has L. reuteri in it. Another probiotic,
Milk.
half and half.
What else?
That's it. Oh, inulin. So this feeds. Oh, you put it away for me.
Not so long ago.
Yeah, I like it to warm up. And then I've had mixed. I've always tried to keep it because this stuff turns into gelatin like that. I don't like to have a lot of little bubbles of gelatin. And I've made the yogurt before and it gives me trouble. Now I don't want to whip anymore because it's adding air to what I'm doing. So it looks like
One whole.
yeah, 1 quart. 1 quart. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of leftover yogurt. And 1 capsule, 12 billion CFU, 10 billion CFU. I need 2 bowls that get the blue lid so there's no ledge. So a little more than 2 cups will go in this one. See all the little pieces in there? I can never get it perfect. So I will just distribute it a little bit here and a little bit there. And then I'm going to ferment this for 36 hours. So the fermentation process multiplies the probiotic little things. I can't think of the word for it. The spores, they all just grow and grow and grow in 36 hours. It doubles and triples the potency. So when you eat it, you get a nice large dose of probiotic. Unlike store-bought yogurt, you're not getting hardly anything. Getting a lot of calories, but not the benefit that you think. So then over here, I'll plug in. I'm already plugged in. I'm going to set the temperature for 100 degrees. And then
Guys, tong machine na ito guys, napagawaan ng yogurt, mabibili nyo yan online. Search nyo lang ang yogurt machine. Marami namang iba-ibang brands kayong mabibili eh. So, lalagay lang ni John dito for 36 hours. Tapos lalagyan niya ng water yan.
And I want to fill it up to the line of the yogurt. Gonna put the lid on, set it, and forget it.
Gagawa din ako ng homemade tea guys. And then yung gagamitin ko is yung Bigelow tea na raspberry. 6 bags nito guys. And then 4 cups of water. 4 cups ata yan guys. Basta yung isang buong malaking measuring cup na yan. And then gagamit tayo ng lemon. Lalagyan ko ng lemon. I think mga 2 piraso na lemon yung ilalagay ko dyan guys. Depende kung malaking lemon isa lang. Pero kung medyo maliit 2 piraso. And then sugar. 1 cup of erythritol. Hey guys, good morning. Oh, good afternoon. And Happy New Year ulit dyan sa inyo sa Pilipinas. Galing lang kami ni John sa grocery. Papasok na dapat si John sa trabaho niya. Kaso nga lang, sabi ko, saglit muna tayo sa store. Kasi nagpabili ako nitong for lunch ko. This is my lunch. Ayan, ano siya? Big Wave bowl salmon and tuna. Ayan, tuna, Atlantic salmon, sesame, wait, soy, crab. Capelin egg. Oh, I don't know what capelin egg. I don't know which one is the crab here.
There's no real crab in there.
Ano? Tapusin ko lang tong aking ano guys. Ang aking tea. afternoon, katatapos ko lang maligo and now it's lunchtime. Ayan, so meron tayo dito. Ay, wala siyang ano. Wala siyang wasabi. Check natin ha. Wala nga. Ang sarap nitong sushi bowl, guys, na may tuna and salmon and parang fake crabs and sushi rice na nabili ko sa Publix, $14 and something, almost $15. Masarap siya. Tsaka gusto ko yung sushi rice niya kasi timplado, malasa. Kaso nga lang, hindi ako binigyan ng ano or hindi talaga siya kasama dito. Wasabi paste. Ayan. Tapos meron din itong avocado, guys, at saka romaine. Masarap. Done? Wow. Homemade yogurt, guys. That looks smooth. Sometimes kasi it's rough or watery. Sometimes it's watery.
Yeah, sometimes it gets a little condensation from the lid, that's all.
Perfect.
It has water.
No, it's like broken. I mean, broken.
From it not being mixed enough, I think.
So, ang ginagawa ni John, dinidip niya yung chicharones or whatever. Whatever you can dip. And then, I bought yesterday my own milk. Kasi itong half and half is very high in ano kasi siya eh. Saturated. But you can drink it as it is, no? But I'm not really a milk drinker, so I won't do it. Some people, they drink it as it is, not just a coffee. Okay? Not just to mix with coffee. No?
Coffee, cereal, whatever.
Okay.
Recipes.
Mag-try sana ako, guys, nitong almond milk na ilalagay ko sa aking coffee, no? Kasi yung half and half, hindi siya masyadong recommended ba? No, mas maganda daw ang almond milk. Kaso nga lang, guys, nung tinikman ko itong almond milk, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Kaya balik na lang ako sa half and half, guys. Magtodo exercise na lang tayo every day. Kasi hindi talaga siya ganun kasarap, guys. Siguro kung almond milk lang ang iinumin mo, siguro makaya-kaya pa. Ang dami na nga nang nilagay ko eh. Pero hindi pa rin siya masarap pa. Kaya nasayang lang yung bili ko. So that's it for our vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sa mga bagong subscriber ni Johannes and John, welcome, welcome, welcome. At sa mga mag-subscribe pa, road to 200,000 na tayo. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, subscribe. Click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest upload ko. Thank you for watching. See you next time.